So I got a lot of calls last week regarding the raids that have been happening recently in Bakersfield and throughout California. What I can tell you is that these raids have been happening for a very long time. We're just hearing more about them now on TV and due to social media. What I can also tell you is these raids are probably going to increase. What we've heard in the past from the upcoming president and different political groups is that people with crimes are the ones that are being targeted. So if you're illegal and you have crimes, whether that crime happened now or 20 years ago, even if that crime's been expunged, immigration can still come after you. They can still see those convictions on your record. I believe the other people that immigration are going after are the ones that are totally here illegal and they have nothing pending for them. And then finally, at the last of their list is probably the people that are illegal but have petitions pending for them. For that reason, I tell all of my clients to go ahead and file all applications and petitions, assuming it's safe to do so right now, so that you could get filing receipts, you could have hearing notices, and you could keep all of those on you. And the reason for this is because I believe ICE computers, before they come pick you up, they see if there's any petitions pending for you, or if you're just totally illegal and don't have any applications or receipts pending. For that reasons, I usually meet with my clients to figure out if there's any viable petitions for them so that it's less likely that ICE would pick them up. And the reason I believe this is true is because if ICE picks you up, they're going to take you to detention, then they're going to take you to immigration court, and then immigration court, I'm going to bond you out if you have a pending petition for you and there's a basis for me to get you out. So I believe ICE isn't going to try to waste their money to send you through a process where they know I'm going to get you out. They would rather go pick up the other person who's illegal and has no pending applications or petitions for them. Next, I tell my clients that if ICE stops you for any reason, you do not have to talk to them. Do not give them any false documents. Do not lie to them about anything. It's best not to say anything at all. A lot of people ask me, well, what if they have a warrant? Some legal advice says go ahead, take a look at the warrant and determine if your name's on there. But I tell my clients, look, if they already have a warrant, they're going to do whatever they're going to do. So they have really no reason to talk to you. And if they are asking you questions, it's usually because they don't have a warrant. Now, when you're driving, the rules are a bit different. You do have to show your license in order to verify that you are a licensed driver. But ultimately, if they do end up arresting you, the other important thing is to not sign anything. ICE does not have to be totally honest with you. They can tell you, oh yeah, you're not going to get to see a judge for 6 months or 10 months. And I've had clients that were told this. The clients were smart enough to tell them, no, I want to see a judge and I want my attorney. Just judge and attorney. Even if you don't know English, just say judge and attorney. Learn those two words. And some of those clients I was able to get out in a few weeks. So do not believe everything ICE says. Tell them that you want to see a judge and you want your attorney. And as I've alluded to in this video, it's very important now more than ever to hire an attorney if you have immigration issues. We can go through your case and figure out if there's any options. We can get cases going if there are options for you. And worst case scenario, I can explain different defensive type of cases that can be done to you. So that way you know your options in case you are picked up. If you need help with your immigration, give us a call. We're here to help.